What are the steps which help us to find what is the purpose of our life?
Yeah. See, everyone born for a purpose. I will tell few examples so that you may resonate and you may connect. I lost my father when I was executing my dream. But still, in all stages, only one thing was making me to grow is I believe in eternity. It is not the death the person is not seeing. And I said them, నేను ఇది చేస్తాను, I do that, even though you are alive or not alive, you'll watch it, I'll make it. So you should believe yourself. That is so personal actually. That can't be thought. And the moral values and the spiritual, I feel spirituality is something, it's not belief or faith. I met a professor. I was born in Muslim family, and my best friend is a Brahmin. From 7th class, I learned Ramayana from them, and I'm very open for all the religions. I have a Jain friend in my Germany, a Catholic, and it's like mixed. I learn everything and I adopt what I can adopt in my life. You should be having an open mind and apply those principles to resolve people problems. So you can resonate with one problem. I resonate. I wanted to create 300 Shareefs before I die. My death should be written by myself. That is my purpose of life. My death should say 300 Shareefs should be created. Every day I see these 300 has to create a nuclear fission reaction. It has created 600, 1200, 2400. Hit the belief. That way you create a purpose in your life. Then you will resonate, and that's why you wake up every day in the morning to do something productive. Did you find it? Thank you.